Want to make your Google Slides more engaging? Here's a quick guide to adding animations that will make your presentation pop. So, start up by opening your Google Slides deck. Click on the object you want to animate. This could be text, an image, or a shape. Then go to the top menu and click Insert, then Animation. A motion panel will appear on the right. In this panel, choose your animation type. For example, you can make your text fade in, fly in from the left, or zoom out. You can also set whether the animation starts on click, after the previous one, or with it. Next, use the duration slider to control the speed of the animation. Play around with the timing to create smooth transitions between points. If you're animating a bulleted list, you can make each bullet appear one at a time for better pacing. To preview everything, just click play at the top of the motion panel. Make any adjustments until it flows just right. That's how you animate in Google Slides. Fast, easy, and effective. If you found this helpful, follow for more quick tips, tutorials just like this one.